two birds showing off their chasing skills from one another. Now they also love to fly short distances between branches. And these birds are omnivores. Now they love to eat fruits and meat as well. And as you have noticed, the tune is an excellent food catcher. Now two, let's show them again. First two. Now guys, ready your cameras, as Tuk will show you one last trick. Now in 3, 2, 1. Again, in 3, 2, 1. Amazing ride! Another round of applause for Philippine Arubas Hornbill playing 12. Here in Cebu Park, we believe there is hope. We're not just taking care of our friends and family, but the land, water, and air as well. Now,